Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, a swing has formed at this particular level, a level of around $20.571. Okay, and now currently trading at around above $1, that is about $21.556. Okay, and overall if you look at this particular trend, it is on the upside. It is moving slowly but steadily on the upside. Okay, otherwise what you can see, if you look at overall trend, there is a swing forming on a bigger level at $17.540, and I've already explained you that if the price comes close to this particular level, then chances are very high we can see it can fall further down. Okay, so what you can see looking at this chart, suppose if the price and sustain a level of around 22, then a probability of going further high is there. As you have seen, all these levels are being tested here, so chances of moving further upside is not a higher side. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart, a swing is forming here, which is on a higher side, that the chances of moving further upside is there. We can see it can touch a level of $21.673. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $22.063. Keep this in mind, this $22.063 is already being tested here, so probability is very high. We can see it can go towards a level of $22.253. Okay, and once the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can cross upside and go towards a level of $22.516, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of around $22.648. Okay, and if the price goes above that level, then chances of moving further upside is there, and then we can see it can touch a level of around $23.095. Keep this in mind, that once it sustain above this particular level, then it can go further upside towards a level of 23 and then further high. But as you can see that the market for silver is very volatile. As you can see looking at this, it is moving upside, but in an ascending order. Okay, now and it's quite volatile. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is on a lower chance, but suppose if the price form a swing at this particular level, so chances are very high that it can touch its support of around $21.463 to a level of $21.278. Okay, and once if it fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of $20.883, and once from there we can see it can go towards a level of $20.541, and once the price fall below that particular level, then chances of touching a level of $20.040 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards further down towards a level of $19.751. Okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, a probability of touching a level of $19.408 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $18.960, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see a chances that it can try to touch its bottom and can touch a level of around $18.802, and then further down if the price didn't sustain that particular level also. So you have to be careful. Once the price fall below a level of $19, then chances of moving further down is on a higher side. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now understand something. If you're trading, you have to be careful, because most of the people lose money in trading. Some of the things that I teach in my workshop, suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. That comes to $1,000 to $1,500, and risk of 0.5 to 1% per trade, that is $50 to $100. Now suppose if you took 5 trades also, $500 max, so it will not affect your psychology for the next day, so you can trade better on the next day. Otherwise what happened, people lose so much money in the first day itself. They try to recover the money, which in turn lose their full capital. This is what they do. What I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these barriers, how to strategize your trades and all extra things that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,